everybody, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from my description, I'm going to be unboxing, or unbagging rather, my December Ipsy. I have slid it open already, just so that I could get into it a lot easier. And this is what it looks like. That's the back. It's this nice faux leather, but then on the other side, look at that. Look at it shine and sparkle. This would be a nice bag. I could actually use this on New Year's to go out. So let's get started. There was nothing else in the bag. It was just the bag. So it looks pretty full. So let's get into it. Oops, it's a little stuck there. Alright, the first item I see is Kiss and Smink. I've never heard of this company. Let me put my bag right here. Kiss and Smink. It is, I don't know what this is. It's in the shade Tullum. Okay, I don't know what it is. Let's open up the box. This is what it looks like. If you can see it. It's just a little box. Looks pretty big for a decent sized sample maybe. Let's look at it. Okay. Oh, that's cute. This is what it looks like. It says the everything in Tullum. How do you open this? There we go. Good Lord, it looks kind of waxy. You can see that. It's kind of like a pinkish, a little shiny. Let's try it. Supposedly it's a multi-purpose stick. Let's see what shade it looks like. Yeah, I don't see me using this. I don't know. You can't see it there, but on my hand it's really peach. It says you can use it on your lips, cheeks, lids to create a complex look. I like the idea of using something in multiple ways, but I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, no, I don't like the shade. Look at that. It's just basically frosted my lips. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll try it again. But I'll set that off to the side. I don't know. I didn't like that. The next item I see in here is in a little box. Looks like this. It's Murad Resurgence. It's a renewing eye cream. Comes in a nice box like this. It says ultra nourishing eye cream firms, brightens, and targets signs of aging. Advanced peptides and retinol increase elasticity and visibly minimize lines and wrinkles. Eye brightening complex reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness for brighter, younger looking eyes. Well, I hope it works because, and it's a really small sample. Here we go. I got it out of the box finally. Looks like that. I mean, it is a decent size. The thing's totally full. If you can see that, it's all the way up to the top, unlike some samples I've gotten out of Ipsy where it's maybe this full. So I might actually get some use out of this to see if it actually does reduce the lines. As you can see, I've got some fine lines under my eyes. And I do have really bad dark circles and puffiness, especially in the morning. Now right now it's nighttime, so anyway, the next item is that I see, pull this out, it's another little, it is by The Balm. It's a nude eyeshadow in Bootylicious. Here's what it looks like. I like their packaging. It always has like a little cartoon people on the front. I really like it. How do you open it? Here we go. Oh, that's a nice brown. And see, here's the inside. Looks like it's part of a bigger palette. Believe me, it's not that burnt, but it does have a little bit of a sheen to it. It looks like that. Let me put it here next to this. See, it's kind of a coppery color. See it right here? It's more of a coppery color. I really like that. That's a nice shade. I could actually use that with the palette I received in my Tribe Beauty box. Can mix this with that or wear it by itself. It's very satiny and it's easy to apply, and you can build it up, and it does, like I said, have it's very pigmented, and looks like it blends out really well. So anyway, there's that. It is paraben free and cruelty free, so for those of you that don't like the animal testing, it does have mica in it, so if you're someone that's allergic to those type of products, that might be not the product for you. The next item, oh, I got a brush. Look, I got a cute little brush. Look, it's cute. Oh, push, push, push. Look, it's got a little thumb thing to hold your finger right here. Isn't that cute? Look at that. It's nice and gold. It's by Farrah. Looks like almost like a blending brush, but it's a little too big for a blending brush. Maybe I could get away with a highlighter or something. Maybe. Hold it like this. But that's why I think with the hand like here, it looks like it's a blending brush. Let me see what it says. There we go. Yeah. It's a tapered blending brush, 35E. It says it's got a chrome handle. To me, it looks kind of gold in color. So supposedly it's good for blending for powder or cream shadows. Blend and diffuse, creating a softer look. Alright, I'll try it. I like brushes, so I love getting tools. So this is actually looks like a decent brush. See, the 35E. Alright, let's put it back in its bag. Set this off to the side. The next item that I see is an eyebrow pencil. It is AM to PM. Oh, Lottie London, by Lottie London. There we go. There it is. Lottie London, AM to PM eyeliner. In the shade, what shade is it? Oh, mocha. That makes me think it's a brown. So it looks like this. It's kind of backwards, isn't it? Looks like that. Let me put my hand in front of it. There you go. Let me see if I can get this plastic off. Let's see. This has all the ingredients on it, but I can't read it because it's so small. I'll have to get my magnifying glass out of my drawer there to read it. So let's see. All right, there we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. So what does it say? What does it look like? Ooh, that looks really... Yeah, I'm putting it off the side of the camera. It is a brown shade. Let's put it next to the eyeshadow. Ooh, that's very creamy. It went on really well. It does match the eyeshadow that I got there from the balm. So far, I'm liking this bag. Everything kind of goes together except for this lip product. I don't know what I'm going to do with that because I can't see me putting this on my cheeks. So let's see what it tells me about that. It is a ultra smooth eyeliner pencil. It has a gel-like formula. I will attest to that. It's very creamy. It goes on really well. It's highly pigmented. As you can see, it's very pigmented there on my skin, and long lasting, so it will stay put. I'll try it out and let you know if it's long lasting or not. It is cruelty free and vegan friendly. So I like that. It's a decent size to try out the product. So, and the last item in the bag, and yes, if you were counting products, this is number 6. This month we got 6 items, so they gave us a free item. It's the Pore Professional Pore Primer by Benefit Cosmetics. Again, they're just like the balm. They have this I really love the packaging. So let's open it up. See what it says on the back. This silky, lightweight face primer minimizes the look of pores and fine lines and help makeup stay put. Alright, let's open this girl. Oh, this is really... Oh, it's actually full, just like the other one. But let me make sure it's full. Let me see. Yep. Alright, here's what it looks like. It's a 0.1 fluid ounces, US fluid ounces. Put my hand up. I like this. I've been wanting to try this, so I'm glad that I got a sample. That way, if I really like it, I can go and get it over at the Ulta that's right across the street. That's the hard part about Ulta being so close. Let's see what it says. Get ready. This tried and true formula is a fave among makeup artists, creators, and hipsters. We're all about that base and how this primer blurs out pores and fine lines. No filter required. Aside from enhancing the look of your foundation and powder, this multitasker actually helps make them wear longer. See you later, shine. This lightweight satiny formula goes on matte. Take it with you for touch-ups throughout the day. Dab sub on over makeup to shut down midday shine. That's good. And considering how small it is, I can actually take it with me. But like I said, I really like this bag. Look at this bag. Oh, it's so shiny. Anyway, that was it for my Ipsy this week. It's not like it comes this month. It is a $10.78 a month subscription. And I forgot to show you the card. This is what it looks like. It says, be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. I like that message. Everyone needs to be who they are. And it says on the back, it's the most wonderful time of the year and we've all got the festive feels. From dressing up in our sparkliest looks to getting cozy by the fire with our faves. There's so much love about the holiday season, so make your list and check it twice. And then they give you some ideas back here how you can have a great month. So that's what that looks like. Also, it says right on the card, check inside for our holiday gift to you, a bonus 6th product. So, I really like this bag. I really like the products that are in it. I feel like it's actually some items that I'm going to use. I'm glad there were 6 items because this right here, I don't think I'm going to get any use out of this. Because right now I don't know what to do with it. As far as lipstick, maybe a topper or something, or underneath something else. I really don't see me finding a use for it. But the rest of the items here, I really like them. I like the Pore Professional Primer. I will definitely get some use out of that. And I will definitely get some use out of a brown eyeliner instead of it being black like it always is. So let me know if you got the same bag as I did, or what you think of this bag. Are we bag twins, or did you get something different? Just let me know down in the comments. Also, click that subscribe button so that you can subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the bell so you know every time that I'm going to be uploading a video. I am probably going to be uploading my Boxy Luxe box here in the next couple days, so be on the lookout for that. Until my next video, bye everybody, and see you next time. Bye.